Good morning, dear students. We are studying English subject of class 4. The topic is Little Benjamin. So in the last class we had studied page 65. Today we study page 64. We shall finish the lesson today. So, a Goo, said the baby in a gargle. He says his name's Goo, announced Joseph. Don't be a chucklehead, Joseph, said Adam. Oh, you'd better give the child a suitable name, mother. Oh, call him Arthur. Okay, so what happened? The small baby does not know how to speak or how to talk. The baby is crying. The baby is saying a goo like that. So said the baby. Then he says his name is Goo, announced Joseph. So Joseph was the small boy. He is telling that this little boy is saying Goo, means its name is Goo. His name is Goo. But what happened? Don't be a chucklehead, Joseph, said Adam. Adam was a little big boy. He is telling to Joseph, don't be so stupid. We would better give the child a suitable name, mother. He is telling to his mother, we can give him a better name. We can give him a nice, suitable name. Then, oh, call him Arthur. So one of the children, they told that we shall give him Arthur. The next, Bill, Richard, Charlie, Reginald, cried the children together. So all the children, they wanted to give a name. So one of the child said Bill, another one is saying Richard, another one is saying Charlie. Then they also said Reginald. But these were all not happy about the names here. Okay. So next one we have is I do love a Bible name, said Mother Golden. All our own children have Bible names. Let us not cut the little stranger off from his privilege. So here they are discussing these names are not suitable for the little baby. So they wanted to change the boy's name and they wanted to give him a name from the Bible. So they are saying, I would love a Bible name. Mother is telling that I want to give him a name from the Bible. So all our own children have Bible names. So in their family, all the children had names taken from the Bible. So let us not cut the child, little stranger, off from his privilege. So this is a chance that this little baby should get the name from the Bible. So as we know that the Christian people, they choose the name from the Bible. Okay, so we study this paragraph. So Lemuel, dear, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother, and so are you. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest, you shall open it. Okay, so here their boy's name is Lemuel. So Lemuel was named after a king. There was a king, his name was Lemuel. So because of that, they have named him Lemuel, said mother. He was a good boy to his mother, and Lemuel also was a very good boy to his mother. He was behaving nicely in good manner to his mother. So mother also loves him. So she is telling, bring the Bible. So please get the Bible to me. And then she tells Joseph, Joseph, you are the youngest boy in the family. So you can open the Bible and find the name. So what happened? Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes laid his hand on the page. Then looking down he read. What did Joseph do? Joseph brought the Bible and he joined his hands together and put his hands on the Bible and he began to read. So what it was written there? There is a little Benjamin there, ruler and the princes of Judah, their council, the princes of Zebulun, the princes of Naphtali. Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names, said Mother Golden. Then Benjamin shall be this child's name, little Benjamin. The Lord bless and keep him. So this from here to here, this is taken from the Bible. ये एक Bible से चुना हुआ एक what we say verse. Okay, this is taken from the Bible. So there is a little Benjamin, their ruler. It was written in the Bible. It is also written in the Bible. This verse is found in the Bible. So this little Benjamin is their ruler. This boy is going to be their ruler. And the princes of Judah. Judah is a type of caste. There are people, Judahs. Okay, so he will become the king for them, princess for them. Prince of Zebulun and the princes of Naphtali. Zebulun, Naphtali, these are the names of cities. Okay, so Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names. Mother is telling Zebulun and Naphtali are very difficult names. So we cannot give the boy that name. So what shall we give? We shall call him Benjamin. And she is also telling little Benjamin, because he was small, he was baby. So she is telling little Benjamin. The Lord bless and keep him. So she is also praying for him, and she is telling that may the Lord bless him and keep him always in his loving care and protection. So this was the lesson all about little Benjamin. Now you might have understood. It is clear to you why the lesson name was little Benjamin. They have found a baby who do not have parents, and they loved that baby, and they are naming him little Benjamin. Okay, so we shall stop here, and we will discuss the question answers in the next class. So today you have to read the full lesson 4 to 5 times. Okay, thank you so much and have a lovely day.